Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, the owner of Sylvia Craft. Today I'm going to show us how to make this design. If it's your first time of watching my video, don't forget to subscribe. So I made this design with size 8 crystal and size 6 crystal with seed bead size 2. So let's get started. My name is Sylvia, the owner of Sylvia Craft. Today I'll be showing us how to make this earring. I made this color. We're getting close to Christmas and I decided to use red to work with it. I'm going to make the same earring with these colors here. I have pink seed bead size 2 and I have my 8mm crystal pink and I have my 6mm. You can as well decide to use your 4mm and 6mm instead, but I just want to do this for those who prefer long earrings. And so to start with this tutorial, I'll pick 4 seed bead. I'll pick a 4 seed bead and I'll pass my needle through the hook. The next thing I do, I'll slide it down this way to the tip of my fishing line. So I have it like this. I'll hold it this way. The next thing I do is to pass through the first seed bead I picked like this. And once I do that, I have it like this. Then I'll pick 3 seed bead again. After picking my 3 seed bead, I have it like this. This is what it will look like. You have it in this shape. So coming out from this, I have it this way. So the next thing I do, I'll pick the 6mm with the shorter fishing line like this. Then I'll take my needle and I'll pass it through the same 6mm like this. So this is what it looks like. So the next thing to do, just leave this fishing line. We'll do nothing with it now. So we're only concentrating on this one, the right fishing line and our needle. So the next thing I will do, I'll pick 3 seed bead. So 3 seed bead and a size 6, 4 seed bead, a size 6, 5 seed bead, and a size 6 like this. Then I'll drop it. So I have this like this. The next thing I will do, I'll pick 4 seed bead again. 4 seed bead. So after picking this 4 seed bead, the next thing I do now is to pick my 6mm bead, and I pick 1 seed bead, and my 8mm. The 8mm, and I pick another seed bead and my 6mm. At this point I'll pick 4 seed bead again. Have 4 seed beads, so I have it like this. This is what I have now. So the next step is this. I'll turn it this way. My needle will be facing me. Then I'll pass my needle through this 6 mm here. And I'll drag my needle out. So I have this shape. So since I picked 5 here, 4 and 3. The same thing I will do, then we'll be passing my needle here. Then I'll pick 5 seed bead now. 5 seed beads. 5 seed bead, and I'll pass it through this size 6 here. And I'll pick 4 seed beads. 4 seed beads. So after picking 5 here, then I'll pick 4 seed bead here and pass it through the next size 6. So after picking 4 here, then the next thing I do here is to pick 3 seed beads. After picking, this time I'm not passing through this. So remember this fishing line we left here. At this point, I will use it to tie it. I will tie it 3 times here, like this. Just tie it so that it will not look. So this is where I am. After tying it here, cut out the excess. Then now we have this fully working with one's our needle and fishing line at this point. So what I do now, pass my needle through this bead here. I'll pass it through this 2 seed bead here. Then I'll have it like this. At this point, I'm going to pick 4 seed beads. 4 seed bead. I'm going to pass it through the second one here, the second seed bead here. This is where I'm passing it, the second seed bead. So after which I have it like this, like this. The next step I do here is to pick 6 seed beads. 6. I'll pick 6 seed beads. 6 seed beads. Then this is what I do. I'm going through this third one here with the 6 I picked, like this. So I have it this way. So after coming out from this place, I'm going to pick 3 seed bead now. I'll pick 3 seed bead. I'll pick 1 crystal size 6. I'll pick 1 seed bead and my size 8 crystal. So at this point, what I do here, I'll pass through this seed bead here, this one here. I'll pass through this seed bead and come out from this one here. So after coming out from this side, the next thing I do, I'll go around this bead like this. Then I'm facing it this way now. I'll come out from here. This is where my fishing line is coming out from. The next thing I do, I'll pick size 8 crystal, pick a seed bead, I pick size 6, and I'll pick 3 seed beads. 3 seed bead like this. And after picking it, I'm going to pass through this third bead here. This third bead. And I have it like this. This is what it will look like. So the same thing I did here, I'm doing here now. I'm going to pick 6 seed beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. After picking the 6, I'm going to pass through this third one here in front. Watch this closely like this seed bead here. This is where I'm coming out from. I take my needle, so I have it this way. Then coming out here, I'm going to pick 4 seed beads. 4 seed beads. 4 seed beads. Then I'll pass it through this one here. I'm passing it through these 2 seed beads up here. Like this. So this is what I have. So the next thing to do, I'm going to find my way down. I'll turn it this way now. I'm passing my needle through this bead here. I'm facing down. I'm going to reinforce it by doing this thing. I'll find my way till I get to the end of this side. Here is what I have. So I'm coming out from this one here. So leaving this one. So coming out from this 5th one, I'm leaving this 6th one behind. I'm going to pick a crystal. This is skip 2, pass through this one here. So I have this like this. So I'm going to go around, walk my way up here to the other side. Like this. And I'm holding it this way again. I'll still find my way down like this. Like this. Pass through this one here. Like this. Then I'm coming out of this first seed bead here. So I'll do the same thing I did before by picking this, the crystal, and passing through this second bead here. So at this point I have it complete. So I'll have to work my way up. I'm now looking for a place to tie it. I'm going to tie it now. So here I'll tie here like this. Tie it here. Then I'll go up here again after tying it once. So here is the finished result. You see, I made this one with size 8, that's 8 mm and 6 mm, while this one was made with 6 mm and 4 mm. And here the same thing I used with this one, 8 crystal and 4 crystal. So go ahead and make yours. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if it's your first time. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Share my videos, like them, and comment. See you next time. Bye bye.